On this video today, I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method requires no experience, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best offer that you can promote and a very cheap traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, and the best part is that they have a lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money from home. So just search for CPA Group. Once you search for it, you have to create an account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so you have to select a country so that you can get offers that are available for you to promote to people who live in that country. For example, you can see the country is United Kingdom. As I scroll down, you can see there are only 2 available offers that you can promote to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see there are only 2 offers and the payout is low, $2.22 per every lead that you get. You can see. So now what you have to do is that you have to search for a different country where you can get offers with a higher payout. To search for a country, you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll so that you can find a country and then get offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in that country. There are a lot of different countries that you can click on to find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So just search for any country that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for Switzerland. So search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then find offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers with a higher payout. But I don't understand the language, so what you have to do is that you have to right click on your screen. Once you right click on it, select translate to English. Once you select it, everything is going to be translated to English. You can see it right here. Now once everything is translated, you can read and then select any offer that you want. You can see get the latest health tips now. So this offer, if your potential visitors take a specific action, which is pin submit, once they submit their pin, they are going to get access to the latest health tips and you are going to be paid $11.55. They don't need to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to submit a pin so that they can get access to the latest health tips and you are going to be paid. The next one is get your boxer shorts now. Your potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to the boxer shorts and you are going to be paid $6.42. Let me scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the next one. Your potential visitors are going to enter a pin so that they can get access to the latest game and you are going to be paid $20.53. They don't need to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to submit a pin. As you can see this one, your potential visitors are required to submit a pin so that they can get access to the latest game and you are going to be paid $6.84. There are many of them, so what you have to do is that you have to scroll and then select any of the offers that you want to promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see this one, play the best games. Your potential visitors are required to submit a pin so that they can get access to the best games and you are going to be paid $20.53. There are many of them. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. One good thing about CPA offers is that you don't need to get sales before you can make money promoting CPA offers. All that you need to do is that you have to get your potential visitors to take a specific action so that you can be paid. The action can be pin submit, it can be credit card submit, it can be email and zip submit, or it can be install an app. So the actions varies based on different offers. Now what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to promote this offer right here. So click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is my affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Switzerland to click on this link and then enter the required details so that I can be paid $20.53. You can see it right here. And you can see this is the description of the offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on this link and then take the necessary action for you to make money. You can use free traffic source, you can use paid traffic source. All that you need to do is that you have to get the people who live in Switzerland. You don't have to promote your link to anywhere in the world. You have to promote it to only people who live in Switzerland. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, they have two sections, the publisher section and the advertiser section. In this case, we are going to advertise our affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to come to the advertiser section. Once you come here, you have to click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, you have to click on create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to type the name of your campaign right here. So type the name of your campaign. In this case, I'm going to type game. Once you type the name of your campaign, the next step is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back on CPA group, click right here, copy link. Once you click on copy link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see budget. How much are you willing to spend on your ad? So let's enter $50. Once that is done, you can see daily budget. How much are you willing to spend per day on your ad? So you can see $3 or $2, any of them that you want. Once that is done, you can see the pricing. It is CPM. That means you are going to be paying per 1,000 impression. So what you have to do is that you have to enter the amount that you are willing to pay. In this case, I'm willing to pay 0.009. I want to pay 90 cents per every 1,000 impression that I get. If you want, you can lower it or you can increase it. If you want 50 cents, you can enter that. Once you enter your buy, you can see frequency capping. How many times do you want a visitor to see your ad within 24 hours? You can say 2, 3 or 1, any of them that you want. Once that is done, you can see blank referral. We don't have a referral, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see landing page content. If your landing page contains any of these contents, you have to select yes. So assuming your landing page contains adult content, what you have to do is you have to click yes. Once you click yes, it means your landing page contains adult content. But in this case, our landing page does not contain adult content. It is not gambling, it is not sound, it is not a software, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see start campaign. After approval, do you want your campaign to start running immediately? If it is yes, you select start campaign. If you want your campaign to pause, you can select pause. In this case, I want after approval my campaign to start running, so I'm going to select start campaign. Once that is done, you can see countries. You have to select the country where the offer is allowed. So if you want all countries, you have to select all countries. But in this case, you are going to select a specific country. So click right here, selected countries. Once you click on it, you have to search for the country that you are targeting. In this case, you are targeting Switzerland. So type Switzerland. Once you type it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you select the country, the next step is that you have to click on this green arrow. Once you click on it, you can see it has been selected. Once you select the country, the next step is that you have to select the carrier, the network. So we are targeting all network connections, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, categories. We want people who live in Switzerland to click on our link and then take a specific action for us to make money. It does not matter the category, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see devices. Click on it. Once you click on it, click on selected devices. When you come back on CPA group, you can see the offer is allowed on Apple iOS. So we are going to select mobile devices. So once you come back, you have to search for mobile devices. You can see mobile phone, select it. Click on the green icon. Once you click on it, you can see it has been moved right here. Once that is done, click on mobile tablet. Once that is done, click right here and you can see that has been selected. Once that is selected, you are going to click on the operating system, OS. Once you click on it, click on selected operating system. Once that is done, you have to search for iOS. You can see it right here. Click on it and then move it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on browsers. Once you click on browsers, we are targeting all browsers, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, click on languages. Once you click on languages, click on selected languages. Now you have to search for German because the people who live in Switzerland, most of them speak German, so search for German. Once you search for German, you can see German Switzerland. Click on it. Once you click on it, click right here to move it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to search for French because some of the people who live in Switzerland speak French, so search for French. Once you search for it, you can see French Switzerland. Click on it and then move it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click right here, create campaign. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. On this website, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that you can be able to create a campaign on this website. So click right here, go to deposit page. Once you click on the deposit page, there are several methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see they have PayPal, you can see this one right here, Scroll, Pioneer, Perfect Money, and the rest. The best part is that on this website, the minimum deposit is $5. It is very low, so anyone can deposit money into this website and then use it to run ads. For example, if you select PayPal, you can see the minimum amount that you can deposit is $5. When you select this option, it is also $5. Scroll is $5. Pioneer, the minimum amount is $50. You can see this option right here is $5. As you can see, Visa card, the minimum amount is $5. So once you select your method of payment, what you have to do is that you have to type the amount that you are going to deposit. Once you type the amount that you are going to deposit, click on deposit so that it can be deposited into your account for you to use it to run ads on this website. Once that is done, you can be able to create ads on this website. This is a cheap, high quality traffic source, so make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.